Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to create a Spring Boot project in Visual Studio Code. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So assume that you already have Visual Studio Code downloaded and have the app open up. What you want to do is you want to go to the Explorer section or the icon, click on it, and here you will see something called Create Java Project. Since Spring Boot belongs to Java, everything here will be under Java. So under Java, you will see a Spring Boot. Click on this. So at the bottom right, you will see that the extension called Spring Initializer Java Support is required to create Spring Boot project. If you don't have this, then you need to install it and then install the extension. So once you have the extension installed, you want to create the Java project again and click on Spring Boot and then click on either Maven project or Gradle project. It's up to you. And the Spring Boot version and the language for Spring Boot, let's say Java, and you want to enter the group ID. Let's say I want to do TechShorts, right? And then after you finish typing, you can hit enter. And you can also input the artifact ID. I would just use the default, which is demo, and then I'm gonna hit enter. And then I'm gonna use jar as packaging type, and then specifying Java version to be 17, depending on the Java language that you downloaded, the version. You can also select the dependency. Depend on what you are building, you have to search for the dependency that you are requiring. I'm just gonna put enter to continue. And then you want to generate the folder with the Spring Boot project into anywhere that you want. And then you want to click generate into this folder. So as you can see, it is set, successfully generated. So your Spring Boot would be created in the folder that you have saved, and you just have to open up that Spring Boot project. But yeah, that is how you can create a Spring Boot project in Visual Studio Code. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe.